Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a handy feature available in the latest update of the WhatsApp PC app, sending multiple videos in a single chat. If you want to share those precious moments or funny clips without the hassle of sending them one by one, you're in the right place. First, let's start by opening WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, find and open the chat you want to send your videos to. Whether it's a friend or a group, simply click on their name to open the conversation. Now, look for the attachment icon, usually represented by a paperclip. Click on it, and you'll see various options appear. From there, select Photos and Videos. This will open up your File Explorer, allowing you to access your video library. Here comes the exciting part. You can now choose multiple videos to send. Hold down the caret key on your keyboard while clicking on the videos you want to share. Once you've selected all the videos, simply click Open. Lastly, to send your selected videos, hit the Send button. Voila! Your videos are on their way, and your friends will love the ability to watch them all at once. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily send multiple videos on WhatsApp using the PC app, making your chatting experience so much more fun and efficient. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and updates. Happy chatting!